Welcome to the module of making amazing chicken porridge in this special festive season. So to start off with, I've got about 350 grams of rice. So it is the white raw rice, and I've got 500 grams of chicken. So I've got the boneless chicken. You could also add a little more bones to make it 500 grams. So let me add, the chicken is nicely washed. So let me add all that. And I'm going to add, now this needs to cook, so don't hesitate to add water. 750 ml of water. Right, so until this cooks, let's add in a little more tomatoes and garlic. Of course, garlic brings the best of the taste. One tomato, one big tomato. Okay, you could go for another half of it because it gives you the best of the flavor. You could use green chilies. We'll be adding loads of other ingredients, but first let's cook the rice. So I've got about 8 to 9 pods of garlic. You could crush it, but basically I like to just chop it like this because garlic gives loads of flavor. I need salt, I need a little turmeric, a little chili powder, and a little bit of curry powder. So here we have to add the rest of the ingredient, but let's start off, let's cook the rice. Let's cook the porridge and put loads of coconut milk to give you the best of the taste, right? Chop it, perfect. Okay, so to get this cooking, I'm going to take turmeric. Let me start off by adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, because the turmeric what we have available in the shop these days are a mix and it's not fully turmeric. So if I feel the color is a little less, then I will be adding a little more. But let's cook, like I said, the meat and the rice is still raw and it has to really cook. So you could add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. So this is basically just the pepper, but I will be needing a little bit of cumin. Later on I will tell you, you will be needing a little bit of cumin. But to start off with, 2 teaspoons of pepper. Right. So basically these are the basic ingredients which we need to get the porridge to a boiling point. And let's see how we could smash it, add in more herbs and spices and thick coconut milk to bring the best of the flavor. Okay, so this porridge has been beautifully cooked. So we poured about 750 ml of water. So all I'm going to do is smash it beautifully. The porridge needs to be smashed. You could cook this in a rice cooker. Although we cooked in a pan, you could cook in a rice cooker, you could pressure cook it. So the only thing is, I just need the rice to be cooked and nice and soft so I could smash it. So let me take the coconut milk. You could use a mixture of thin milk and thick milk. 500 ml. So this is 450, a little bit, right? 500 ml of coconut milk. And I will be needing another 1 teaspoon more of salt, because earlier we added only 1 teaspoon, right? So I need to add in more flavor. It's time that we add more flavor. So let me quickly show you how to get, we just put a teaspoon of pepper powder, but let's make a special mix. So this is a mixture of thin and thick milk both together, which is giving you that 2 cups. Perfect. So while this is cooking very slowly, right, so let me take in, let's make a special mix because I need to give in more flavor. So let me take in 2 tablespoons of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of fennel seed. Then I'll be taking a very small piece of cinnamon, and all I'm going to do is lightly roast it. Yeah, just like 2 inches, perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slightly roast it. So once when this is roasted, we could blend in, and it could be blended, and we're going to add it. So I haven't added the salt yet, so I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of salt to the porridge. So the turmeric powder what we get now is with less color or no color, because it's not the original. So if it's the original recipe, half a teaspoon is more than enough, but it's not the original. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a little more turmeric to bring in more color. So this is because it is actually the turmeric we have nowadays are a mix actually, so it's not enough to give the color. So that's when I have gone for the second half a teaspoon. This needs a little more hot water, but let's see, because I just need to cook it nicely, or thin coconut milk. So I'll be taking a little bit of mint and coriander chopped to garnish it. At the same time, I'm going to roast it. So if you have used a very thick milk, then you will have to add in hot water. But if you have used a mixture of thin and thick milk, and if the milk is not too thick, you can use a little more milk to loosen. But we will have to wait and see, because we have just added the milk and the turmeric. And also I have this curry powder. This is the normal coriander type curry powder, which is available in the supermarket, ready to buy. It gives you that real flavor. So I'm just going to use 2 teaspoons of that. Right, perfect. So all I'm going to do now is roast it a little more until it gives you that little roasted smell. I'm going to blend it, and let's see how this freshly blended spices could make our porridge look special. Okay, so earlier I poured the 1 cup of hot boiling water because I found that the milk was a little too thick. So this is the second milk, it's not the thick milk. So I'm just going to pour the thin milk. So earlier it was like the thick milk, 2 cups of thick milk, the 500 ml of thick milk. And then later I found that the porridge needs to break down. So I just poured a cup of hot water. So now I'm just trying to finish off because it needs to be nice and loose. So now I'm just going to pour, I have poured 1 cup of thin milk. It doesn't have to be the thick milk. Okay, so finally we've blended the nice roasted peppercorns along with the cumin and the fenugreek seed. So I'm just going to add a nice generous 1 to 1.5 teaspoons depending on the spice level you all have it, right? So you could check the salt at the moment. So this is in a very low heat. I'm just going to cook for another couple of minutes because see the consistency is very nice. It's nice and loose. So I'm just going to cook in very low heat for about 2 minutes, and finally garnish it with mint and coriander to bring the best of the aroma. Okay, so while the porridge is beautifully cooking in still low heat, if you feel the porridge is thick enough, now don't add coconut milk. You could add hot water to loosen, to break down more. Only hot water because we've added enough coconut milk, right? So I'm just going to temper. So you could use ghee, or I'm going to use a good vegetable oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of good vegetable oil. And some of them like curry leaves, but some of them don't like the curry leaf being on the porridge. So what you could do is, I'm just going to use temper a little bit of onions only, and finally garnish it to bring the maximum of the aroma. nicely fried in nice golden color. So let's put all of them into the beautiful, delicious chicken porridge. Right. So you could always add more hot boiling water. I have just told that we have added enough milk. So let's add more of the hot boiling water to make it a little loose. Now no more milk, we have added enough milk. Right, so you could serve this chopped up with some freshly cut mint and coriander to bring a delicious chicken porridge. Thanks for watching. I shall see you with another tutorial very soon.